But yeah, see, that's how it's supposed to be. I was too hyped. But hey, y'all, I'm back with another video, and this video is about this beautiful Luvme unit that I received. Yeah, I'm bald headed too by now, by the way. But anyway, they sent me an HD cap, a comb, what those combs called? A edge brush and comb, and then a clip. They also sent me a bag that I could keep my wig in, and then they also sent me a thank you card, something to label my wig, and a user guide for the wig, and some common issues that people have with the wigs. So that's very helpful for people that, you know, might first time be getting a wig. But look at this wig, y'all. So this is straight up out the packaging. The wig is already curled for you. And then look at that scalp. This is a 7x6 unit, by the way. And I literally don't have to do anything to it. Unless I wanted to make some baby hairs, in which I'm going to do a little edge. I'm not doing no baby hairs. But the wig, the part that came with the wig was also pretty deep. And pretty like plucked too. So I didn't have to do any of that. It also comes with a leg band, and then it has one comb in it. And then the wig is also made out of like a mesh material, so it's very breathable. You won't have to worry about your scalp being hot or not being able to like receive. Like you could wear this wig to the gym, like, and not have no problems with just being overly sweaty. You know what I'm saying? But now we're about to get into the install. Now I do want to say something that I didn't show y'all, but I will show y'all at some point. Like I think when I'm about to put on the wig. The wig has like a latch at the back instead of the little strings that be in the wig that some people sometimes put together. Oh, there you go. See, it has like a latch. And I feel like that is such a game changer. Oh my god, y'all, that is such a game changer, because a lot of people tie. I know for a fact I didn't tie the little thing that normally be right there, and that would give me a headache and have my wig just tight as heck. But that little latch at the back, I feel like that was keeping my wig like snug. And you know how your wig could kind of buckle up in the front if it's not like, you know, all the way snug to your head. I really feel like that one thing actually made the front of my wig just be flat without even gluing it down or anything. So definitely love that. Yeah, and this is just me playing with the hair, combing the curls out. The curls were beautiful, by the way. One thing I definitely loved about this wig too is how full it is, but at the same time it's like natural. You know, it's not nothing that's like just look fake. But anyway, right here I'm just getting those baby hairs out the way with my got to be in the comb. This wig is their all day comfort wig, and honestly, this really is a wig that I could see myself wearing all day. It's really comfortable. Like, I would not change anything about this wig. Like, not even joking at all. But right here, I'm just applying color to my lace. And with that, you want to make sure you really getting in there, because I could still see my cap. And that's one thing that I really don't be caring about not lace, HD caps, because they kind of like show really bad sometimes. But we gonna get it together. That's all you need is a little powder or whatever. Lace tint. I feel like lace tint would be probably better, but I don't have any of that, so you know, we improvise. So I got in between just to make sure that cap, and I didn't get too far into it because my hair was going to be covering that side anyway. But here we are. We're using melting spray. We're not using no glue or anything, because I feel like this wig was already like well put on. Like, I didn't really have to glue it at all. Just needed something to melt the lace a little bit more, tie it down, and then done. And make a little edge if you want to, and then done.
First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these better niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah.
But yeah, this is their 20-inch body wave wig from them. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm saying it again. But for the rest of the video, I'm basically going to just be flattening the top of my wig, and then also fixing the curls in the front, because they kind of like, they were like falling a little bit worse than like the ones in the back. So I had to fix that.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet, and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him, it's a bitch of both. Hey, little bro, hit this nigga, start getting low. I spent 500 racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. 30 feet, but don't play with me, period. Just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, out the period. Oh, he ain't know. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you round in the beers and a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very buck. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we second up wallow and gualo and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. So PF, look like the new BMW. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right or left. And you can't go to car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm telling more fake. Sky slowly spinning in a prison. 150 tiny, rich and mellow. I'ma put the game into his temple. Look, cause I spit that flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
Now, when I took that off, I was so shocked at how it melted down. So, period, love me, y'all did the thing with that. But I had to like add just a little bit of edge, so I kind of like swooped the little edge part. And that was about it. I combed my front curls out too, and then that was pretty much it. The hair was finished. But if y'all want to get this unit, I will leave everything in the description box below so y'all can go purchase it. And yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information about the wig too down below. So if I missed something, please look down below. Or if you didn't hear something, please look down below. But yeah, see y'all. This is really some everyday stuff. I normally like all the wigs I get from Luvme hair, because they be tea. Especially the newer wigs. Construction of their newer wigs is really tea. If y'all want to get this wig, I definitely recommend it. Definitely support it. It's nice and full, pretty, fluffy. The curls is giving what it's supposed to give. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.